week, we learned how to create a Cypress project. When we started up Cypress, the software configured some important files for us to help us get started. Let's take a look at those files and learn what they do. The first file we're going to take a look at is the cypress.config file. So let's click on that. This is where all of your test configurations are stored. You can set things like setting timeouts for commands and page loads, setting environment variables, setting whether or not you want to save screenshots for test failures, setting whether or not you want to save videos for test failures, setting whether or not you want to retry failed tests and how many times you want to retry them, and much more. Now let's look at the support folder. The support folder has two files. It has commands.js. This is where you can create custom commands for things that you might be reusing over and over again. And then there's the e2e.js file. That's a place for additional configuration. It supports the commands file. One of the things you could do here is you could put in global setup and teardown commands. Then there's the fixtures folder. In the fixtures folder, right now, there's an example.json file, and this is where you can make sample responses to stub out network requests, so you can run your tests without actually hitting the network. So you might be asking yourself, well, where do the tests go? Well, in order to have a place to put the tests, we're going to need a folder. So let's create it inside the Cypress folder, and we're going to use this create folder icon here. And we will just write E2E and click return. And now we have a folder where we can put our tests. Next week, we will be learning about the application that we will be testing. Thanks for watching this video. If you found my training helpful, please like this video and share it with others. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single lesson. If you're enjoying Monday Morning Automation and you'd like to learn even faster, be sure to check out my book, The Complete Software Tester, which is available in Kindle and paperback on Amazon.com.